Friends, you can see over here these ants, as you can see. You can see these ants over here, these red ants, big, thick red ants. Today is 20th of December 2021, and the whole of North India is engulfed in a biting cold wave. This biting cold wave is due to the heavy snowfall in the higher reaches of the Himalayan ranges and other adjoining mountains throughout the northeastern part of India. Now these ants are very susceptible to cold weather. They actually disappear or go underground or hibernate, or maybe most of them perish during winters. So this biting cold has left them almost dormant. You can see the movement is very slow. They are just barely moving, and groups of these ants are found together. They are probably seeming to be in a huddle. This is an ant huddle, a red ant huddle, probably made to help them fight this bitter cold in a better way. This huddle perhaps makes them better equipped and much resistant to this cold weather, so that they can wear it off and remain alive to see another day. So this effort of these ants and this resilience, you can see the resilience to fight this cold weather, this biting cold weather, is perhaps resulting in to the formation of this huddle, this ant huddle. You can see this is the bigger one, bigger group of ants congregating together. There are other smaller groups also. This is one of the smaller groups. You can see the ants in a huddle together, forming a circle. This is another such circle, although the circle seems not yet completed in this case. It is a half circle or perhaps a semicircle. Now these ants you can see scattered all around the place. All over the place you can find small ants, just not small ants, but bigger ones, bigger than the normal ones that we usually encounter in households. That black, red, small red ants, lighter red ants. These are heavier, bigger red ants. That those black, lighter ants are perhaps more equipped to fight the cold weather, because they can withstand the cold weather more than these red ants. And the next description now will be in the Awadhi language. So the Awadhi description in Awadhi language will follow. भैया ये देखा था ये जौन लाल चींटियाँ नहीं, इनके सब इकट्ठा जैसे गोल घेरा बनाए के और अपन सब जैसे कौनो मंत्रणा करत हई। इनके सबके मंत्रणा देखा चलत बा। इतनी ठंड है आज 20 दिसंबर 2021 का। पूरे भारतवर्ष में, उत्तर भारत में शीतलहरी चलता है, वही शीतलहरिया में ई परहैप्स संभवतः जौन है अपन प्राण बचावे ताई एक सब इकट्ठा भई हैं। और यह ताई देखा इनका सबका कहे से ठंड ज़्यादा ढेर इनका बर्दाश्त ना हो, ढेर ना सह पाती ठंड, तो एक बदे ही अपन सबके एक दूसरे के गर्मी दे बदे एक गोल घेरा इकट्ठा करके सब इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं। इकट्ठा घेरा ऐसे बनाए हैं। ये देखा, ये बड़ा घेरा है और बाकी छोट छोट घेरा, एक छोट घेरा ओहरा है, एक छोट घेरा ये है। ऐसे घेरा बनाए गई लाल चींटियन इकट्ठा भये हैं। तो आप सबका हमका ई जान पड़त बार लोग ई रोचक लाग होए ई जौन वीडियो है। और एका देखिए, एक जानकारी बदे और रोचक जानकारी बदे आप सबके बदे बनाए का। तो धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।